What's up, it's QueenSit. I'm back with another video. This time I'm headed to Tennessee. So on my bike, got a new helmet. What's up, it's QueenSit. So I waited and I got the gloss helmet. Okay, excuse my mom. So I ordered the gloss one. Remember, I did all the questions and reviews online, and everyone suggested the matte. The matte is fire for sure. I love the matte. I love when I do selfies on the matte. It's just a dope helmet. But something just kept telling me to get the gloss. And here are the two helmets for the people who want to see them side by side. The gloss has a deeper black to it, and I think that's what I was looking at or missing. But the matte sure is dope too. So it's all on personal preference. Let me know below, which one do you like? Because matte won every category on Instagram. Mom, what? This is the Simpson Mod Bandit. So this is gonna be a review too. So this is about a 5-hour trip for me. And I'm gonna ride with my friend Outlaw Chappie, and we are headed to Tennessee to visit one of my friends who went down on her bike. So it was pretty bad, kind of scratched up her face and everything. So I said, hey, let's go visit. She's excited, I'm excited, and we're going to make sure she's good. And then when we're there, we're going to go around and explore Tennessee. And I think I've been there like one time, so we shall see. So we hit the road around 1 o'clock. We knew that this trip was about 4.5 hours, so we took it easy. We enjoyed the scenery, and the Simpson Mod Bandit helmet was absolutely amazing on this trip. Okay, first gas stop. We're about halfway there. We got the bikes over there and ice cold drink. The reason I got the modular bandit is because I like to lift the front shield up and I can eat snacks while I'm on the road. On this trip, I put on a Cardo communication headset so I could listen to music, so I could take phone calls, and the battery lasted the entire trip, so it was definitely worth it. This helmet has an inner shield that's built in, and it's good for blocking the sun, so I absolutely love that. My cup holder came in handy. I was able to stay hydrated throughout the whole trip. The noise level inside the helmet was very low. I was able to hear phone calls. I was able to listen to music inside of my helmet with no problem. I highly recommend this helmet. What's up, it's QueenSit. Of course, we just made it to Nashville, Tennessee. It was an easy ride. It got hot sometimes, but you saw I had my water, ice water. And the helmet is a little dirty. We got bugs and all kind of stuff. But I will say, it did its thing. It did an excellent job on the trip. It felt a little hot, but it's vents everywhere. It's vents right here, vents in the front, on the side, at the top. So I think it was just hot outside. It was like 93 degrees today, so of course it was hot, right? But this helmet is definitely quieter than the Simpson Outlaw Bandit that I had. So the mod is super quiet. My ears aren't ringing like it normally. Usually when I get off the highway, my ears are ringing. But I'm perfectly fine. So we're about to take it on in and go to our next location and hang out. So enjoy. Let's go. So you see that big puddle right there? That's all my hand sanitizer. I'm not a happy camper right now. All right, we made it to Nashville. I'm here today with Outlaw Chappie.
It's hot.
And we're about to go explore Tennessee. Getting another gas stop, fill in, and we're headed to our next destination. Let's go. About to try some food. Hey, this boats. We got boats all the way around here. Super dope. All of those are boats. So we're eating on the water, but you can't see it because it's nighttime. But Super excited. What's up, it's QueenSit. I'm out here in front of Boswell, HarleyDavidson. We are in Nashville still, but we are getting ready to leave. This is our last day here. We're about to go in here and see if we can find some shirts, some hidden gems. I love checking out Harley-Davidsons in other states. And we're gonna get out of here. So, let's go. All right. Dope dealership. I've actually been to this dealership. If you follow me on Instagram, then I checked out a CVO here one time, and that's where I got the Kahuna pegs idea from. So I don't see the bike, so I guess somebody bought it. But I was here in a car, so this is my first time visiting on my bike. So look at that denim. It reminds me of my street bob. You can never go wrong with the denim black. Sheesh. Super dope dealership. Still want to test ride that one day.
Outlaw chap here hanging out in the motor clothes department. They have a bunch of helmets, a bunch of boots. It's all around cool. This is my first time being here, but I actually like what I see. Check this out. They actually have a grill. That's far. Never seen anything like it before. That's far. Nashville, y'all doing your thing. One of the workers just told me there are only 2 of these in the United States, period. Nashville, Tennessee. Yeah, stop in Kentucky. We're about 190 miles out. In a second, we're gonna have to stop for food. I'm getting hungry.
We ran into the biggest storm I've ever had to ride in. So we noticed riders on the side of the road, and at that point we knew it was time for us to pull over and take a break and let the rain pass so that we could have a safe trip and make it back home safely.
We had to pull over. We couldn't see nothing in this rain. Nothing. I guess this is where we're gonna hang out for a second.
All right, as you can see, we got caught in the rain. This is the most drenched I've ever been. Like, my hands are just, like, literally completely drenched. The rain is super heavy. And I'm parked. And I'm up here to be safe. But yeah, so we're gonna, it lightened up though, so it's not literally as bad as it was. So we're probably better about to hop back on the road. Bruh. Chap, it's a bug on me. Hell no. It's bugs on her. I'm over it. We made it back to St. Louis. This wraps up the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, join the QueenSit tribe, and I am out.